Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to a Indian bank. What you need to know first of all is you need to verify your account on Wise, otherwise you can send money. Then after knowing that, we select right here send, and then we fill in right here India, there we go, and then we click on India. Then we fill in right here how much money we want to send. Then we do add recipient. And then right here we can search for bank details, UPI, or search on Wise. We want to use right now bank details. Then we do someone else. And then we can fill in right here their email, full name of the account holder, the IFSC code, and then the account number. Then, when you did everything correctly, click on continue, and then he will send you right here to the review page where you can check all your details. Make sure that you don't make a mistake, and then after that do continue again, and then he will send you to the payment page where you can complete your payment and then transfer your money from Wise to an Indian bank. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.